Xenomorph Prime, the elusive alien homeworld, has received limited exploration in both the Alien games and comic books. Both humans and predators have embarked on various missions to this planet, seeking to extract valuable resources or simply engage in xenomorph hunts. In this video, we will delve into the universe of Xenomorph Prime, exploring the mysteries and encounters within. Xenomorph Prime, designated as G435, Achilles 2.4, Hiveworld, Homeworld, or A6454 in human scientific circles, orbited the star Achilles 2, situated 61.4 light-years rimward trailward from Earth. As a prominent xenomorph hiveworld, it served as the habitat for various alien species, making it a pivotal extraterrestrial body in the vast cosmos. Concealed within the interplay of twin binary stars, Xenomorph Prime eclipsed Earth in size, boasting 3 expansive continents and a petite ocean. Although the origin of the xenomorph population on Xenomorph Prime remained a mystery, it was certain that they were not native to the planet. The manner of their arrival, whether deliberate importation, a consequence of a runaway experiment, or the aftermath of a crashed spacecraft, was a scholarly speculation. Nevertheless, the xenomorphs, undeterred by their enigmatic genesis, claimed the planet as their own, erecting colossal hives, one of which harbored a formidable queen mother. Despite its sparse vegetation, the planet teemed with indigenous life forms, including various avian, mammalian, and reptilian species that were prime candidates to serve as hosts for the xenomorphs. However, a mysterious unnamed species emerged as a formidable competitor, establishing itself as the sole natural predator of the xenomorphs. A nameless predatory species, resembling reptiles, stands as the natural nemesis of the xenomorph. These mysterious creatures exhibit a reptilian allure, featuring pale creamy skin and fierce orange eyes. Sporting clawed fingers and a quadrupedal stance, they boast bony protrusions adorning shoulders, legs, and tails. In combat, they prove a formidable match for xenomorphs, relentlessly clawing and biting into their adversaries without succumbing to the effects of the acidic blood. Strikingly, their own blood takes on an ominous black hue. Rather than reigning supreme over the xenomorphs on the food chain of Xenomorph Prime, these creatures intriguingly share the ecological niche, engaging in a perpetual competition that serves to keep both populations in check. On G435, the xenomorphs exhibited heightened strength and agility compared to their extraterrestrial counterparts, some adorned with exoskeletons showcasing a spectrum of hues. This peculiar variation hinted at potential hive allegiance, with speculation that the color shifts resulted from the release of chemical pheromones in the presence of other hives. The diverse xenomorph population included facehuggers, royal facehuggers, chestbursters, crushers, praetorians, queens, empress, palatines, and queen mothers. Notably absent were human and predator-spawned drones, as well as runners, owing to the absence of suitable hosts. Perpetually shrouded in dusk, G435 experienced a hot and humid climate, offering a breathable atmosphere for humans. While the terrain predominantly lay flat, the planet featured shallow salty seas, swamps, and desert wastelands. This planet, much like LV-426, is rife with volcanoes and massive turbulent windstorms. Regions under xenomorph occupation were marked by the presence of hive resin. The planet's meager resources were limited to royal jelly and the xenomorph inhabitants. Millions of years ago, this planet was also used as a storage house by the space jockey race to contain and breed xenomorphs for use in their ancient and brutal civil war. Originally, this planet was considered to be the location of Alien 3 and Prometheus before revisions by the studio and directors were made. The space jockey race terraformed this world long time ago to be a complete storehouse of the species of xenomorphs. There have been reports of no other spacecraft being able to enter the atmosphere apart from the Yautjas and space jockeys, as it is assumed that their technology is capable of traversing the very rigid and corrosive atmosphere. Before physically exploring the planet, Dr. Wadeslaw Orona speculated about the Xenomorphs' homeworld based on research involving a captive specimen on Earth, detailed in a report titled Theory of Alien Propagation. For numerous years, the Yautja abducted facehuggers from Queens, transporting them off-world to propagate xenomorphs for hunting on different planets. In the 2190s, an expedition led by Billy, Wilkes, and a synthetic replica of Ellen Ripley landed on the planet with the goal of abducting the Queen Mother, sparking a civil war between two young Queen Mothers. Simultaneously, billionaire Daniel Grant's expedition aimed to retrieve royal jelly for synthesizing the highly addictive drug Xenozip, leading to their intervention in the ongoing conflict. They nuked the red Xenomorph hive, resulting in the demise of the Red Queen Mother. Queenless, the remaining red xenomorphs were eradicated by their opposing black counterparts. Subsequently, the Yautja Dark and his clan undertook their most significant hunt on the planet, followed closely by the Weyland-Yutani Corporation. Specimen 6 was observed being transported off BG-386 on a Weyland-Yutani vessel, marking a pivotal moment in the unfolding events on the mysterious planet.